Welcome to a detailed look at Converging Technologies, a complete guide exploring the exciting mix of new innovations shaping our world. Dive into the exciting journey with an introduction in Chapter 1. In Chapter 2 and 3, discover how AI, machine learning, and IoT integration revolutionize industries. Explore Chapter 4 and 5, where deep learning and cloud computing meet IoT. Chapter 6 and 7 delve into the convergence of blockchain, data science, and IoT. Chapter 8 and 9 transform education and merge virtual and physical worlds through AR, VR, and IoT integration. Chapter 10 and 11 highlighting 3D printing, IoT, and implications and challenges of these technologies. Finally, Chapter 12 explores future directions and possibilities. Here's a sneak peek of Chapter 1, Introduction to Converging Technologies. It covers foundational essence of IoTs, overview of converging technologies and their transformative potential, the power of convergence, revolutionizing industries, empowering individuals, navigating challenges, the path forward, envisioning a transformed future. Get your copy today and start your journey into the future.